Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on recipes. Are you ready for some football? Well, I can't do that, but I can share with you Donna Kelce's famous chocolate chip cookies that she gave to her sons Travis and Jason for opening night as they faced off in Super Bowl 57. As hearts were warmed across America by the gesture, every baker just had to know what's in those cookies. Mama Kelce was kind enough to share her secrets, so let's see if ours come close to hers. For our ingredients, we have butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, 1 egg plus 1 yolk, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, cake flour, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, white chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, and toasted pecans. We're going to start off by melting our butter in the microwave and letting it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes in our mixing bowl. As the butter cools, in a separate bowl, mix together your cake flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt using a whisk. This is not the time to add the baking soda, so don't be tempted just yet. Stay tuned. Now that our butter has cooled, we're going to add in our brown sugar, granulated sugar, and we're going to mix that for 4 minutes. Be sure to scrape down the bowl throughout the process. While we wait on our mixture, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of hot water in our microwave. We're going to mix that with our baking soda momentarily. Here's what our mixture looks like after it's been thoroughly combined. It's time to add our egg yolk, and our vanilla extract. In the meantime, we can also dissolve our baking soda in the hot water and set that aside. And you already know I'm gonna say it, scrape that bowl to make sure everything's mixed well. It's time to add in our baking soda mixture. Once our baking soda mixture has been added, it's time to add in our flour mixture. Add it in little by little. Don't be tempted to pour the whole bowl in. Take your time. Make sure that you're scraping down in between the additions of the flour. Now that our mixture is nice and smooth, we can add in our chocolate chips along with our pecans. Feel free to stir this in by hand if you'd like. No, it's not time to bake them just yet. We're going to cover our bowl or transfer it to a bowl and cover it and place it in the fridge for at least 3 hours before we bake them. And it's best to leave them overnight to 48 hours to enhance the flavor. Be patient, good things come to those who wait. The wait is over. It's time to get rolling. Our dough has firmed up nicely. I'm going to use a cookie scoop and scoop mine out. I did end up cutting mine after I scooped them because I wanted them to be a little bit smaller. You can make yours whatever size you like. This recipe makes about 4 dozen small cookies or 25 to 35 larger ones. It just depends on how much you want to indulge. So let's get rolling. Next, I rolled mine into little balls because I'm crazy like that. But if you're not worried about the shape, go ahead and throw them on the pan. Do you, boo? Now that I have my cute little balls, I place them on my pan, leaving space in between to allow room for them to spread as they bake. Next, I added on a few chips on top of each round of dough because I'm extra, y'all. You know this already. It's taking everything in me not to eat a little nibble of dough to try it, but with this salmonella and flour stuff going around, I'll chill. Be safe and bake your cookies at 350 for at least 10 minutes or until they're lightly golden brown on the edges. These smell so good. That cinnamon just took these cookies up another level. They smell like a cross between snickerdoodles and chocolate chip. Amazing. Let your cookies cool on your pan for a few minutes and then transfer them to your wire racks to continue cooling. These cookies are a winner. They taste delicious, and yes, they taste exactly like how I said, a snickerdoodle mixed with a chocolate chip cookie. I love the added pecans, and the white chips and the milk chocolate chips just make such a difference. Let me know if you make this recipe. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other recipes. Fly, Eagles, fly.